Comparing true-false confusion. I have some confusion over testing values that are assigned false, true. To check for true value, we can simply just. How about false?
From the Python Style Guide. For sequences, strings, lists, tuples, use the fact that empty sequences are false. Don't compare Boolean values to true or false using equals equals.
Use not or is false.
To check for if a value is true. To check if a value is not true. However, not a column is true, and true, for values other than false, e.g. none, 0, and empty containers. If you want to check if a value is true or false, although you generally don't, try. Or edit for checking if a value is true or false. It seems you should use if is instance a, bool, and a, and if is instance a, bool, and not a.